Hi, East Texas. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Showers, thunderstorms will continue into Thursday morning before they finally shift and move away from us. And then we may get a break on Friday. And then as we head into the weekend, we are going to be tracking a low pressure area out over the Rockies. You can see it's a fairly broad, appears from this graphic here to be somewhat of a disorganized low pressure area. The center of it is west of Denver. And we have a high pressure system over the Gulf, and that is essentially blocking the movement of this storm. So this is a challenging forecast for the weekend, meaning that if the storm can move a little closer to East Texas, our rain chances will go up. If the storm cannot make it closer to East Texas, say for instance, we never see any piece of this energy move east of Dallas because of this high pressure system, the rain chances will go down. There is some data out there that suggests that Saturday may end up a dry day, and then maybe as this low finally breaks down this ridge of high pressure, we see a few more scattered showers and thunderstorms on Mother's Day. As for overnight lows in the next 10 days, tonight, a little above average, 66 for the overnight low. Then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's warm and it's muggy. Monday, also a warm and humid day. Look what happens Tuesday and Wednesday. The temperatures drop back to average, if not below average, and the humidity, while not, let's say not dry or comfortable, it won't be as humid as it has been Tuesday and Wednesday. Then the humidity will start to come back up Thursday, Friday, and Saturday with some rain chances also showing up as we head into the third weekend of May. All right, 10-day high temperature trend across East Texas, mid-80s. So that would tell us that we'll have a chance for some morning showers and thunderstorms Thursday, but by the afternoon with more sunshine, we should sneak those highs into the mid-80s. Now look at Friday, 89. You get to 89 by having a fair amount of sunshine and southeasterly winds, also very humid air. So Friday likely is a dry day, just a 20% chance of rain. Saturday, again, it all hinges on how close that storm system comes. So we could find parts of the area dry and parts of the area kind of damp with some scattered showers and thunderstorms, or at least parts of the day, Saturday and Sunday. Highs in the mid-80s on Saturday, mid-80s on Sunday and Monday. Then Monday into Tuesday, there's a frontal boundary. That boundary sags just to the south of Tyler, and so our highs Tuesday and Wednesday fall into the lower 80s, but then they're bouncing back up Thursday, Friday, and Saturday into the mid-80s. Rain chances. 50% chance, mainly in the morning on Thursday, drops to a 20% chance of rain on Friday. Saturday, we'll leave it at a 50% chance. Again, we may find half of the area with some scattered showers and thunderstorms and half of the area staying dry. Sunday, widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, about a 40% chance, and Monday. Frontal boundary comes through Monday, it drops the rain chance Tuesday back to a 20% chance. So if you're a glass half full kind of person, that's an 80% chance of rain or 80% chance that it won't rain on Tuesday. And Wednesday, just a 30% chance of rain. So perhaps a little bit of a drier weather pattern trying to set up as that upper low finally moves away. All right, next 7 days here in East Texas. Let's try to break this down, see if this will work for us. The next 2 days, we are looking at scattered showers and thunderstorms. Over the next 3 days, about the same. Really, over the next 7 days, our rainfall totals now range from anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to some wetter weather out to the east, closer to an inch, inch and a half. Notice now west of Dallas, the heaviest rain is setting up at least on our data coming in from the Weather Prediction Center. So that is a suggestion that the upper low stays a little bit farther to the west, and because of that, the weekend could end up drier and warmer. Future skycast, late tonight, scattered showers, thunderstorms moving through the area. Those showers and thunderstorms are still with us at the break of day on Thursday. There may also be a small little area of showers that comes through early Thursday afternoon. By Thursday, late afternoon, we're back to sunshine. Highs are in the 80s, in the 80s. Friday morning, temperatures only fall back to around 70 degrees. Friday afternoon, we're back into the 80s again, upper 80s, very possible. And then here we go. Did you see how those showers kind of pulled in here to Sulphur Springs, to Mineola, just brushed up against Tyler and then began to retreat? That's evidence that that upper low is staying a little farther to the west. There could be a few stray showers over other parts of deep East Texas on Saturday, but that certainly would help to boost our high temperatures into the mid-80s both Saturday and Sunday. Rainfall since the 1st of March. And you might ask yourself, well, why are you looking at the 1st of March? Well, March is climatologically or historically what we think of, or meteorologically, the start of spring. So this is going to be spring season rainfall. And in Tyler, we're over 10 inches of rainfall. In Longview, over 10.5 inches of rainfall. For Lufkin, over 13.5 inches of rainfall. When we compare that to average, we're doing really well in Tyler and really well at Lufkin. Not bad at Longview, with about an inch ahead for the season. For the year, we're still an inch to 2 to almost 3.5 inches of rainfall on the surplus side of things. And again, I always say that's pretty good as you get into later May, into June. Once summer settles in, you'll want a little bit of a surplus. We start to dry out with that soil a little wetter than what it should be. Sometimes the sun's energy can be used up, not all of it, but some of it, to evaporate moisture out of the soil, and so that can help us keep some excessive heat away. Not necessarily excessive humidity, but at least the excessive heat. All right, Thursday morning temperatures, mid-60s with cloudy skies and a chance for some rain showers around Linden, Boston, and Pittsburgh. In our central counties, we'll see temperatures right around 67 in Tyler and 66 at Longview, with some early morning rain showers also possible at Jacksonville. And over deep East Texas, temperatures should be in the upper 60s at Nacogdoches and at Lufkin. Crockett near 70 degrees, Hemp Hill around 66, and Jacksonville around 66. All right, winds and wind gusts on Thursday. South winds building throughout the day. We'll start off with winds sustained around 10 miles an hour. They'll gust at times at the noon hour about 15 to 16 miles an hour. We'll make it into the afternoon with wind gusts approaching 25 miles an hour, sustained at 15 miles an hour across parts of East Texas. So kind of a breezy finish to Thursday. How about high temperatures? Lower 80s at Mount Pleasant. Again, a chance for an afternoon isolated shower thunderstorm, mainly in our northern zones, but also in the morning. In our central zones, there will be a chance for some isolated showers and thunderstorms. Longview, 84 degrees, Henderson up to 85, Jacksonville up to 83, and over deep East Texas, temperatures in the mid-80s for daytime highs, but that's a muggy 85 at Groveton and a muggy 84 at Crockett. Here's your Bill Scott White Texas Pine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. So scattered thunderstorms on Thursday, morning clouds, PM sunshine Friday, a high near 90, and that will be a steamy 90 on Friday. Scattered thunderstorms Saturday, 85, 40% chance of rain for Mother's Day. Sunday, 86, 40% chance for scattered thunderstorms Monday. Tuesday, we start to dry out a little bit. Then Wednesday, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. Otherwise, scattered morning showers Thursday, followed by isolated thunderstorms Friday, and some scattered afternoon thunderstorms on Saturday, with highs warming back into the mid-80s. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Have a great Wednesday night.